This fan is not working. When we check, its speed controller switch was damaged, and I think it is disconnected with fan speed control wired. So we should open and unscrew this winding cover. This is 3 or 4 screws. We should open it, and then we will check inside what's happened with this switch after opening, and this knob also opening. Remove this knob easily, then remove this back cover and check. This switch was damaged. I think its screw was opened, that's why its connection plate is moved another way. So that's why its selector is not connected to these wires, and fan was not working. You can see the connection plate is moved another way. So we should open this switch, selector switch. First of all, remove this knob easily, and then open inside to screw. Open two screws of the selector with screwdriver, and then this connection will come out. You can see when we opened, this connection will come out. So you can see the connection plate is moved another way. Is one screw was opened, that's why the connection of this selector is going other way. That's why this fan is not working. So we should repair it. We will fix, and the screw is inside the cover. We will fix a screw and fix the connection plate at the right way. After fixing the selector, the screw, put it inside and put its two screws, and then fix its cover smoothly. And now fix its screws with screwdrivers, and put and fix its accessories like selector knob and top knob is also fixed there, and backside knob, the selector switch fixed for selecting. Tight the screw of top knob, then we will check it's working or not. Put the plug inside the socket, switch on, and then check. The fan is working now easily. It's rotating, but it is working properly. So the fault was inside the selector switch.